Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. In this beginner-friendly tutorial video, I will show you how to reset preferences in After Effects. If you're ready, as the first step, open any project in After Effects. Then, click the Edit tab in the menu at the top left. And move the mouse cursor over Preferences. Next, click Startup and Repair in the newly opened window. Finally, you can perform the reset by clicking the Reset All Preferences to Defaults button on this page. To perform the reset, you need to restart Adobe After Effects. You can do this quickly by clicking the Restart After Effects button. After restarting After Effects, you will see that all preferences have been reset. I hope this step-by-step guide video was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!